how to add quality backlinks to your YouTube videos in 2019 for free, coming right up. Hey, what's going, my friends? Peter Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, we're going to be talking about how to create quality backlinks for your YouTube videos in 2019. And the reason for that is it's easier for you to rank your videos. It's much easier for you to get authority on your channel, and it's really easy. And I'm going to show you another video. And before we go into the video, on this channel, I show you how to make money online, and I show you how to make passive income online through affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified of the latest videos that I upload. And also, you can check out my #1 recommendation in making a full-time income from home down in the description. Alright, so let's get on to the video. So how you can create quality backlinks for YouTube videos. It's really simple, and I'm going to show you that right now. So what I do is that, after you upload your videos, right? So like, for example, this video. So legendary marketing, right? You go here, share, and you see here, this is your link to your YouTube video. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy that, and you go to this website called Ping Farm. So what's it going to do is that it's going to ping to Google, all those major search engine where your videos is live, it's active. So Ping Farm, I'm going to be putting that on the description as well so that you can check it out. So what I'll do is that I'll just copy and paste, right? So paste here the URL and then mass ping, boom. So that's easy, right? So that's one. And then after that, I go to this website called neemtools.com, YouTube backlink generator. So I'm gonna put that again on the description so you can check that out. It's really easy, guys, and it's for free. So you see here, YouTube backlinks generator. So enter the YouTube video link here. So again, you get the share and then the URL for YouTube video. Come here, copy and paste. I'm not a robot. And submit. And you're gonna see here, it's gonna process. It's gonna give you 50 backlinks. So that's really easy, and that's really powerful, guys. So it will help for YouTube videos to rank and then help you get more views on your videos. All right, so this is gonna take a while. So I mentioned free on the video, right? But then there's a service that you can use that I'm also using. Is that what's gonna be the easiest thing for you to do is if you get this service, right? It's gonna syndicate, right? It's gonna syndicate all your videos to all those social media content. So you can go to this website, IFTT.com, right? So IFTT means if this then that, right? So if you do this, then this will happen, or let's say if I upload on YouTube, then this will be shared on Twitter. If I upload on Facebook, this will be shared on Instagram, right? Or when that happens, after it's uploaded on Instagram, it's gonna go to Twitter, right? So it's really simple strategy, but then it's very powerful, right? So you can use this service, IFTTT.com. But then if you don't want to do all the work for that, you can go to Fiverr. Right, you can go to Fiverr and you type in social syndication, right? So this is what you will see, right? You see this one? So this what will happen here is that every time you see there's rings here, right? So every time you upload a video, it will automatically go through this site that this service provider will do for you. He will set it up for you, right? So this will go to this site, and then if you add more services, he will then add more links to it, which has more social media accounts to it as well. So Tumblr, WordPress here, WordPress and Tumblr, Blogger, right? RS feed, what else? all this on the web base. So this is very, very powerful, guys. I can't stress this enough on how powerful it is to syndicate this. Just imagine all these social media accounts, and they will pick up followers as well. Wow, you will have tons of views on your videos. That's for sure. And these are also quality backlinks, and you can go to Fiverr for that. You can check this out. This is actually one of the service providers I ordered this from, and you can pay him as little as $5 for one ring, two rings, right? Maybe this two rings for $10, and $20 for four rings. So I highly suggest you try this out. But then if you don't want to spend for social syndication, you can try IFTTT. Go to Ping Farm and neemtools.com as well. So this will definitely help out in your videos, and this will be the services I'm also using moving forward in my YouTube channel, and hopefully rank better for my videos, and then we'll get more views. All right, so this is it, guys. It's a really short video, but I really hope that you get back from this one. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. If you found value, give this video a thumbs up. If not, give this video a thumbs down. All right, guys, so Miller Birdie here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.